So, bon après-midi tout le monde. Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you again on this platform of Doon Valley Public School, Muzaffarnagar and Doon Valley Deoband to learn French with me, myself, Dr. Jaspreet Khurana. Now we are starting to ask questions in French. So I am starting with Priyamvada Verma of class 8. Okay, Priyamvada, you have to switch on your camera and then you have to reply me again because the recording hasn't started and just now I started the recording. Okay, comment ça va?
Ça va très bien et vous?
Me aussi, moi aussi, très bien, merci beaucoup. Okay, now moving on to Khushi. Okay, Khushi, comment ça va?
Sir, ça va bien.
Wonderful, wonderful, formidable. C'était parfait. C'était parfait means that is perfect. Very good. So my next question is, comment vous appelez-vous? Just raise your hand. Comment vous appelez-vous? Who can reply this question? Comment vous appelez-vous? Only Khushi wants to reply this question. And Priyamvada, what about others? You guys don't know how to reply comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, Khushi will reply this question. Okay, Khushi, comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Khushi.
Very good. Comment vous appelez-vous means how do you call yourself in French? So that is what is your name. The reply is Je m'appelle Khushi. That is I call myself Khushi. Or you can also say that my name is Khushi. Fine. Okay, let me ask to Priyamvada as well. She also wants to reply. Okay, comment vous appelez-vous, Priyamvada?
Je m'appelle Priyamvada Verma.
Wonderful, wonderful. That means Je m'appelle Priyamvada Verma is I call myself Priyamvada or my name is Priyamvada. Very good, nice. Anybody else wants to answer this question? You can raise your hand. I'll be allowing you to unmute your mic. Otherwise, I'll be starting up the lecture. Okay, fine. So let us move. Why has everyone closed their cameras? I request everyone to please switch on your cameras. Camera should be on during the class, at least for 15-20 students. Thank you for understanding. Okay, thank you for following Manya, Karthik, Niyati, Rudraksh, Vaishnavi, Nabiya. Thank you very much for switching on your camera. I can even see Manya. Okay, she's there. Yes, others are not switching on your cameras. I don't know why are you keeping your cameras off. How will you learn the language if your cameras are all the time off? Okay, now moving down to the lecture that is for class 8 Incredible Legends of Doon Valley. Let me move down to my G drive where I can see my students. Yes, here are my students and this is class 8. It's a Thursday. Yes, class 8 Incredible Legends. These are Incredible Legends. Yes, Incredible Legends. We have what we have studied till now. I'm just revising it all in a moment and then I'll be teaching you a few more things. Okay, we studied about how to record your introduction. Then we studied about the vocabulary about the face. Then we studied about the relatives. Then we studied about the subject pronoun, être verb, avoir verb we have studied. And then we have studied about few sentences also. After that, we also studied how to recognize the masculine and the feminine part, right? So that is like feminines are those like in school we go सरस्वती माँ के दर्शन होते हैं वहां एक लड़की मिली उसने फ्लावर दिया पेंसिल बॉक्स खोला उसमें से स्केल निकाल के उसने नापा और रबड़ से सब कुछ गलत उसने डिलीट कर दिया और उसके पास एक पानी की बोतल और टिफिन भी था तो दीज आर ऑल फेमिनिन मैस्कुलिन आर लड़का पहुंचा उसने बोला बॉय ने गार्सों ने अपना बैग निकाला उसमें से उसने पेन निकाला पेंसिल निकाली कॉपी निकाली किताब निकाला और बैग के अंदर से और फिर वो बोर्ड पे उसने जाके कुछ लिखा pencil sharp karke and then he went to the ground wearing his cap and then he started playing with the ball. So these are all the masculine words. Very good. So we have learned a lot till now. Today is 10th 06 I should say and 2021. Okay, so let me start off with the few sentences and then I'm going to teach you a few more things. Okay, so we'll be starting with basic conversation in French. Basic conversation in French. Now, basic conversation in French is in two parts, that is formal and informal way. So, formal way of asking someone, how are you? So, that is comment ça sorry, Sava. Como Sava. Okay? Como Sava. Como Sava को हम बोलते कैसे फ्रेंच के अंदर? We speak like this. Como Sava. That means how are you going? You can note down. Como Sava. How are you going? G-O-I-N-G. Okay. Now, how are you going? The reply is Sava, Sava bien. Sava bien means how to speak this? Sa, va, sorry, it's not ba, it's va, Sava bien, Sava bien. That means going well, going well. Now, this is the formal way of asking anyone, Como Sava, how are you going? Okay, guys. So how are you going is the reply is Sava bien. Like Priyamvada and Khushi replied, Sava bien, that means we are going well. Now, if you want to ask the other person, that is Evu. Okay, Evu. What do you mean by Evu? Evu means and you. Okay. So let me put a question mark here. Evu. How to speak it? A, Vu. This means and you. This is the formal way of asking the question. Okay. Evu and you. Okay. Evu is and you. Okay. And if you want to ask it in a informal way, जैसे कि अगर आपको अपने बड़ों से पूछना है या अपने टीचर से पूछना है तो आप बोलोगे como Sava, Sava bien. Okay. Or we can also say como talevu. Okay. This is an informal way. Now I'll be teaching you एतुआ. एतुआ भी बोला जाता है. एतुआ मतलब और तुम. कैसे बोलते हैं इसको? एतुआ. एतुआ. एतुआ means and you. Okay, guys. So, como Sava is the informal way. Okay, formal कैसे बोलते हैं? Como talevu. Como आले लिखा जाता है. तालेवु. और इसको बोला कैसे जाता है? Como talevu. Como talevu का मतलब होता है how are you going? Okay, this is the formal way of asking. So this is formal way and informal way, both I'll start up together. Formal and informal. Informal. Okay. So first sentence that I have written is, अगर आपको अपने छोटों से पूछना है तो आप बोलते हो como Sava. अगर आपको अपने बड़ों से पूछना है तो आप बोलते हैं como talevu. Como talevu. दोनों का मतलब एक ही होता है. एवू फॉर्मली बोल रहे हो, एतुआ इनफॉर्मली बोल रहे हो. ओके. अब इनके रिप्लाई क्या हो सकते हैं? रिप्लाई हो सकते हैं कि रिप्लाई हो सकते हैं सावा बिया. ओके. सावा बिया हो सकता है, या फिर और क्या हो सकता है रिप्लाई? वेट. ये भी हो सकता है कॉमसी, सॉरी कॉमसा. कॉमसी कॉमसा इज ठीक ठीक चल रहा है. ओके. कॉमसी कॉमसा. ओके 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 ओके. कॉमसी कॉमसा. और इवन इट कैन बी पामाल. पामाल का मतलब होता है नॉट बैड. आप लिख सकते हैं साथ साथ. पामाल का मतलब होता है नॉट बैड. ओके. एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो बी सावामाल. ओके. गिव मी द कैनेडियन. सावामाल. सावामाल का मतलब ठीक नहीं चल रहा है. ठीक है. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? एक एक करके. गोइंग गुड. ओके. गोइंग गुड. The first meaning is going good. Second is okay okay, comsi comsa. And third is not bad. And fourth is going bad. Okay. So this is how you can ask the questions. The first question is informal way, that is como Sava. Okay. Como Sava. This is the informal way of asking question. Como Sava. Let me make it blue, or I can say black and bold, and a size more. So como Sava. Answer is Sava bien. What do you mean by Sava bien? That is going well. Okay. And it can be como talevu. VOUS. Yes. Como talevu is how are you going? This is an formal way of asking. Okay, please keep in mind. Como talevu. So this is how are you going? Evu. Evu means and you in an informal way. And informal is etua. Etua is and you. Okay. The answer can be comsi, comsa, sava bien, like this. So these are all French words you can note down. So it becomes como sava. किसी को informally बोलना छोटे बच्चे से. Sava bien, going well. Como talevu is a formal way of asking. Answer is evu, etua, और ये आपके होते हैं going good, going bad. Okay. Now let me make this bold also. Very good. This is bold. Now, if you want to ask anyone name, so it becomes como vus आपले वो. Como vu आपले वो. Okay, como vu आपले वो. कैसे बोलते हैं इसको? Como vu जापले वो, ऐसे बोलते हैं. Como vu जापले वो मतलब how do you call yourself? This is a question and the reply is je m'appelle Jaspreet. कैसे बोलते हैं इसको? Je m'appelle Jaspreet. और इसको बोलते हैं I am called Jaspreet. Yeah, you can say meaning is my name is Jaspreet. Got the point? So this becomes como vu zappelez-vous. This is an informal way of asking name. Sorry, formal way. This is the formal way. Okay, you can note down yourself is formal way. You can say formal, F-O-R-M-A-L. Okay, so this is the formal way of asking question. अगर ये informal way होता तो कैसे बोलते हैं? Como tu t'appelles. नोट कर लीजिए. किसी को कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हैं. Ça va très bien. I can see Krati, Bhavishya. They have replied. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful. So it becomes Jaspreet. अभी आपको बोलना भी सिखाऊंगा मैं सबको ये, ठीक है? Don't worry. Je m'appelle Jaspreet. I call myself Jaspreet. Now, if you want to ask, como tu t'appelles? Como tu t'appelles? Como tu t'appelles का मतलब होता है how do you call yourself in informal way? Como?
Sir, excuse me.
हाँ बेटा. Yes,
सर
yes.
सर थोड़ी सी ऊपर कर दिए सर. सर हमने लिखा नहीं है सर, थोड़ी सी ऊपर कर दिए सर.
ठीक है, ठीक है. Just wait, just wait. I'll do that. Please talk in English, okay? Okay. Don't worry. I'll do everything for you. Don't worry, guys. Let me start up from basic conversation, or I can just start it from here and I can move down. Okay. Now you guys can see everything. Okay. Okay. So these are the basic conversations in French in a formal and an informal way. Okay. So the basic questions that comes in mind are informal. Como ça va? छोटे से बात कर रहे हैं. Ça va bien? छोटे ने रिप्लाई किया. Como t'allez-vous? बड़े से पूछा. बड़े ने रिप्लाई दिया. Next, je vais, इसका रिप्लाई नहीं लिखा. Just write down the reply of this. Je vais bien. I am going well. Merci. Merci means thank you. Okay, this is je vais bien or merci, and it means I am going well. Thank you. Okay, I'm going well. Thank you. So this is the Evu is the formal way, formal, like this, and etua is the informal way. Okay, etua.
Etua is a formal and informal.
Informal way, informal way, informal way. ओके, इनफॉर्मल वे. सो अगर आपको किसी छोटे से पूछना है तो आप पूछोगे कॉमो सावा, ही विल रिप्लाई सावा बिया. बड़े से पूछना है तो कॉमो तालेवू, उसका रिप्लाई आएगा जवे बिया मेर्सी, आई एम गोइंग वेल थैंक यू. एवू फॉर्मली किसी बड़े से पूछना है, एंड यू. छोटे से पूछना है तो एतुआ, और तुम कैसे हो. सावा बिया, कॉमसी कॉमसा, पामाल, सावा माल इज द आंसर. Then you can also ask como vous appelez-vous, that is how do you call yourself. Je m'appelle Jaspreet, and comment tu t'appelles is also informal way of asking questions. Now you can note down and I'll be asking you to repeat after me. Okay, I can see students, those who have opened up your camera. I will start with the new students now. Devanshi Tyagi. Okay, Devanshi Tyagi beta, kindly switch on your camera and speak after me. मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो कॉमो सावा. बोलो,
Como sava.
फिर से बोलो कॉमो सावा.
Como sava.
सावा बिया.
Sava bia.
एतुआ.
Etua.
वेरी गुड. ओके, नाउ नियति, आप मेरे पीछे बोलो कॉमो सावा. वेरी गुड. सावा बिया. Wonderful. Evu? Yes, and you, very good. Okay, let me check other students now. Those who have switched on their cameras, I'll be asking them. But everyone has kept their cameras on the switch off mode. So, yes, I can see Amir Hamza. Very good boy. Okay, and Karthik also then I've seen. Okay, Amir Hamza, repeat after me. Como talevu? Amir Hamza, please repeat. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
बेटा मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलना है आपको. कॉमो तालेवू,
Como talevu?
दैट इज जवे बिया मर्सी.
That is Jave Biamasi.
वेरी गुड. उसके बाद बोलेंगे एवू.
Emu.
वेरी गुड. नाउ कार्तिक, कार्तिक आई कैन सी यू, प्लीज यू हैव टू स्पीक आफ्टर मी. मेरे पीछे पीछे बोलो कॉमो तालेवू.
Como
Kartik Kumar.
talebu,
वेरी गुड. जवे बिया मर्सी.
jave mia mein,
एवू.
ebu,
Wonderful. Now I can see Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, you have to repeat after me. Vaishnavi beta, can you hear me? I think you are unable to open up your cameras. Okay, let me start with Khushi now. Khushi, you have to speak after me beta.
Yes, sir. Vaishnavi. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Vaishnavi.
Yes, Vaishnavi, we cannot hear you properly. So I request Khushi to unmute your mic, please beta.
Okay, sir.
Speak after me. Savabiya.
Savabi.
Komsi komsa.
Savabi. Komsi komsa.
Pamal.
Pamal.
Savamal.
Savamal.
Okay, this is going good. Okay, okay, not bad, going bad. Okay, now coming down to Priyamvada. Okay, como talevu?
Como talevu?
Jave biya merci.
Jave bia merci.
Evu?
Evu?
Okay, next question is como sava? Priyamvada, keep on speaking.
Como sava?
Sava biya.
Savabia.
Very good.
Savabia.
Very good. Etua?
Etua?
Yes. Como vous appelez-vous?
Como vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Priyamvada.
Je m'appelle Priyamvada.
Okay. Khushi, now your turn, beta. Fir se you have to speak. Comment tu t'appelles?
Como tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Khushi.
Je m'appelle Khushi.
Merci.
Merci.
Et toi?
Et toi?
Je m'appelle Priyamvada. Very good. Okay. Now what we have to do is, Priyambada, you switch on your mic and you ask questions from Khushi now. Any questions? Any of these questions? Please ask her.
Comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Khushi.
Wonderful. Nice. Next. और क्वेश्चन पूछो.
Comment ça va? Ça va bien.
खुशी आप उससे पूछो. Et vous?
Et vous? Ça va très bien, merci.
Yes. Similarly, now Niyati and I can see one more. Niyati can switch on your mic, and I can see Vaishnavi. If it is possible for you, beta, can you switch off? Switch on your mic. Or Nishant. Niyati and Nishant will talk now. I think he has switched off his camera. Let me check some other students. Aditya.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Okay, no worries. You can keep your mic mute.
Sir,
Then.
are you saying something?
Yes, I am
Yes.
requesting Niyati and Aditya. Aditya, can you talk?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wonderful. So Aditya and Niyati will talk now. Niyati, you ask questions from Aditya now. Any of these? Niyati, fast. Don't waste time. Okay, I think you're not able to speak up. Okay, Aditya and Priyambada, you can try. Priyambada, ask from Aditya.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Very good.
Ça va bien.
No. She asked you, comment tu t'appelles? Tu t'appelles is how do you call yourself? The answer will be, je m'appelle Aditya. Okay? Speak it again.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll be
In progress.
practicing this. Okay? That is introduction in French. Please, guys, look carefully on the dialogues. These are same dialogues that we have practiced just now.
Writing's not that easy, but Grammarly can help. This sentence is grammatically correct.
First, we will listen it in a fast mode and then we'll listen it in a slow
Bonjour
mode.
et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de Super Easy French. Aujourd'hui, vous allez apprendre à vous présenter en français de manière formelle et informelle. Allons-y.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Rita. Et vous? Moi, je m'appelle Judith. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Soykan. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Hélène. D'où venez-vous?
Et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de Super Easy French. Aujourd'hui, vous allez apprendre à vous présenter en français de manière formelle et informelle. Allons-y.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Rita. Et vous? Moi, je m'appelle Judith. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Soykan. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Hélène. D'où venez-vous?
Okay, now I'll be playing it in a small, slow speed. Okay, now look at carefully.
Je suis française.
Et bienvenue dans ce nouvel épisode de Super Easy French. Aujourd'hui, vous allez apprendre à vous présenter en français de manière formelle et informelle. Allons-y.
Bonjour,
Bonjour.
comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle Rita. Et vous? Moi, je m'appelle Judith. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Soykan. Et toi?
Je m'appelle Hélène. D'où venez-vous?
Et bienvenue dans
I hope everyone got the point. How to speak up, right?
Yes.
Oui.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I
Please.
would like to request the volunteers, those who gonna speak now.
ce nouvel épisode de
I'm opening up the Word file now. This is the same that we have just seen on the screen. Anybody wants to speak up and learn to speak in French? Just
Promote.
raise your hand. Just raise your hand. Okay, I can see Devanshi and Aditya. I can see Amir Hamza wants to speak. Akshit. Okay. Now I got a new guy, Akshit and Amir Hamza. Okay. Please listen me carefully. Okay. Repeat after me. Okay. Speak after me. ¿Cómo ça va?
¿Cómo ça va?
Okay. Ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
¿Cómo allez-vous?
¿Cómo allez-vous?
Je vais bien, merci.
Je vais bien, merci.
Et vous?
Et vous?
Et toi?
Et toi?
Very good. Wonderful, Amir Hamza. And now Akshit.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, beta. Akshit, please unmute your mic. Akshit. Akshita or Akshit? It's Akshita, sorry. Akshita. Actually, your name was not
Yes.
coming up. Yes, Akshita, please repeat after me. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Comment vous appelez-vous?
Very good. Je m'appelle Akshita.
Je m'appelle Akshita.
Et vous?
Et vous?
Je m'appelle Jaspreet. Merci.
Merci.
Very good. Okay, Karthik, you speak now. Comment allez-vous?
Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien, merci.
Je vais bien, merci.
Jamais mia नहीं. Je vais bien, merci.
Je vais bien, merci.
Wonderful. बहुत अच्छे से बोला. Nice. Nishant, comment allez-vous? So, I'll be moving towards the Kahoot on dialogue formation. Okay, guys, please keep your mobiles ready and try to log in as soon as possible. This is like the salutations in French or the basic introduction in French language we are going to play. So keep your mobiles ready and you have to enter with the pin that will be shared on the screen very soon. Salutations in French. Okay, so here you go. You're getting your pin in just 1 minute, less than 1 minute. You can keep your names whatever you want. Just giving you 2 minutes to join the meeting fast as soon as possible. Please join it as soon as possible without wasting single minute. 603-4497 is your code word. 603-449. 97, sorry. 603-4497. Yes. Please enter soon. Yes, please join fast. Be fast. Comment vous appelez-vous? Very simple to tell. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful, guys. A is coming up, Akshita is coming down, Koshi is there. Okay. Very good. Oh, Shivam is joining in. Shivam, please note down the pin. You are asking the pin 60344497. Okay. Wonderful. Akshita has the highest streak of 6. Very good. Kushi is coming up. Aditya Tyagi is back. Very good. Very good. Next. Second last question. Buongiorno means. Very good. Who is this smiley one? I don't know the name. Kindly write your name in the chat box. Okay, you. Fine. God bless you, Priyambada. Okay, let me check the podium, guys. Woo! Third is Priyambada. Very good. Akshita, second. Okay. And we have the runner-up. Wonderful, wonderful, guys. Now let me know who is this A. Vedhansh is fourth. Okay. Who is this A? Okay. So, guys, do you know numbers in French? Akshita Singhania. Okay, very good. Okay, let us play one more game. Okay. We'll play one more. Okay. Now, let us learn numbers in French. Numbers. numbers in French. Okay guys, now numbers in French are 1 को बोलते हैं हम ओके क्या बोलते हैं ओनली जैसे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं ओके सो 1 इज हिंदी में 2 को टू को दो बोलते हैं, दो ओके फ्रेंच में बोलते हैं द ओके और 3 को संस्कृत में बोलते हैं त्रै, फ्रेंच में बोलते हैं त्रुआ, यू कैन नोट डाउन त्रुआ। 4 को जैसे एक क्वार्टर बन गया घड़ी के अंदर तो विसे क्वार्टर, कात्र विसे कात्र। 5 को बोलते हैं हम 5 fingers, they sing together and form the power, we call it as sank, okay sank। 6 को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं 6 और फ्रेंच में कहते हैं सीस। इनका प्रोनाउंस भी बता देता हूं आपको, दिस इज ओके then this is the, this is trois, this is quatre, this is cinq, this is six, okay coming down to 7 is हिंदी में कहते हैं 7, फ्रेंच में कहते हैं 7, ओके 7 SETH ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, सेट नॉट सेट, सेट। देन 8 को कहते हैं फ्रेंच के अंदर HUIT और इसको लिखते हैं विथ ओके वी स्पीक इट लाइक दिस विथ। 9 को हिंदी में कहते हैं 9, फ्रेंच में कहते हैं 9 और 10 को कहते हैं 10, फ्रेंच में कहते हैं 10। 10 को कहते हैं 10, okay so this the trois quatre cinq six sept huit neuf 10, okay then we come down to 11 12 13, 11 12 13, 11 12 13, इसको बोलते हैं हम 11 को ऊंस, बोलते कैसे हैं ऊंस। 12 को कहते हैं दूस, DOUZ दूस और बोलते हैं इसको दूस। 11 12 13 इसको कहते हैं त्रेस ओके यू कैन नोट डाउन। 14 को कहते हैं 14, 15 को कहते हैं कैंस, यस क्या कहते हैं इसको 14। स्टूडेंट्स आई विल अपलोड दिस वीडियो ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल आफ्टर 10 minutes फ्रॉम नाउ। आप इसको यूट्यूब पे दोबारा भी देख सकते हैं रिवाइज करने के लिए अगर किसी का कुछ रह जाए। 14 सेम लेक्चर ओके दिस इज कैंस। लेट मी चेक द चैट बॉक्स, समवन इज till 15 only, बेटा we will do till 20 only बस, ठीक है क्योंकि 20 तक बहुत इजी होता है। जैसे अब 15 तक याद करना होता है ना, 16 से it becomes 17 से it becomes easy। 16 को कहते हैं SIZE says, ऐसे ही 17 को कहते हैं 10 और 7, यहां से आसान हो जाता है 10 और 7 दी सेट। 18 को कहते हैं 10 और 8 10 विथ, इसको बोलते हैं दिस विथ ओके। दिस नफ 19 को कहते हैं 10 और 9 दिस नफ और 20 को कहते हैं वाह। Okay, so these are numbers till 20 you have to learn only, very simple। सबसे आसान है द, trois, quatre, cinq, 6 is sees, set, with, naf and these. फिर ऊंस दोस त्रेस, ये एक गाना भी है रिकी मार्टिन का, अगर आपने सुना हो, 11 12 13, ऊंस दोस त्रेस 11 12 13, 14 is 14, 15 is 15 and 16 is sees, सब कुछ सीज हो जाता है 15 पे, ओके। और 17 18 19 is like these set, these with, these enough, simple, और लास्ट में वाह। ओके गाइस, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू द सॉन्ग ऊंस दोस त्रेस कैसे बोला जाता है। इसके ऊपर एक सॉन्ग भी है, वो मैं आपको अभी 2 मिनट में दिखाता हूं। ऊंस दोस त्रेस कैसे बोला जाता है, दैट इज रिकी मार्टिन सॉन्ग, ऊंस दोस त्रेस 11 12 13। जस्ट लुक अप एट दिस सॉन्ग, ओके। सो दिस इज ऊंस दोस त्रेस, दिस इज 11 12 13। नाउ यू गाइस विल रिमेंबर 11 12 13 is ऊंस दोस त्रेस, 14 is 14, 15 is 15, 16 is sees, then 17 these set, these with, these naf and va. So this is un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept with naf, these uns, douze, tres, 14, 15, 16, these set, these with, these naf and va. Just write yes in the chat box if it is clear to everyone. If it is clear to everyone, just write yes in the chat box. Very good. So let us move towards the numbers now. We'll play Kahoot in 5 minutes. The numbers in French. Okay. Numbers in French. French numbers. Okay. So we'll be starting within 5 minutes. Numbers in French. Okay, we'll do this one. Be fast. We have only 5 minutes to finish up this game. And guys, जिन लोगों का कुछ भी छूट गया है, they can see all this video on my YouTube channel. You can revise from there. Okay. Please revise the same from my YouTube channel. The same lecture will be repeated there. You can watch there again. जो आपने आज पढ़ा है 10-15 मिनट के बाद आप इसको चैनल पे देख सकते हैं. Please join the Kahoot soon. We don't have time. Within 5 minutes, we have to finish up this Kahoot. 5 minutes में हमें खत्म करना है, जल्दी करिए. Wonderful, wonderful. Fast. Yes, Amir Hamza is coming up. Fast. Kasak say. Very good. Next. Isha is coming up. Very good. Fast. You have to be very fast. Wonderful. Next. Devanshi is coming up. Very good. Fast. Preeti is the highest climber. Fast. We have to finish it in 5 minutes. You have to be very fast. Yes, Chris Evans again coming up. Kasak say fast. Wonderful. Next. Yes, Arushi just hit the answer of 7. Fast. 1 minute left. Okay, Gunrup is coming up. Last question. $1,000. तो क्या बोलते हैं फ्रेंच में? Let me see the podium. Numbers in French. Very good. Devanshi on the third position. Kavi on the second. First we have Isha. Very good. And runners up are there on the screen. Wonderful, guys. So now the time has come to say you goodbye. Okay. It was a wonderful meeting today. Okay, very good. You are fourth, you are fifth. I can see. Orvar, and your next class is on class 8, Sunday, 3:30. Okay, see you all on Sunday. Orvar, namaskar. मिलते हैं रविवार. Okay, 3:30 बजे. Thank you. Yeah, it is the best class. God bless you, Bhavishya. Bye-bye.